My name is Kirk, and I'm going to be your collision repair and refinishing instructor. This is what the collision and refinishing program can do for you. Learn the how and why modern cars are designed. Build your confidence knowing that you can learn how to fix your own car and give you a life skill. I found my way into the collision industry through my father-in-law. He owns his own shop and gave me the opportunity to learn all aspects of vehicle repair. To look at a career path and see what is out there for you, check out the Collision Repair and Refinishing Career Tree on my King Tech High School webpage. It will show you the various directions you can take to find your future in the collision industry. I am loving what I do at King Tech. I get to show students why vehicles are designed the way they are and how that has changed as technology has improved. Over the years, King Tech has had several students show the desire and skill to do more than what can be done in a classroom setting. They were given on-the-job training at local body shops to finish out the class. And some students have chosen to stay in the collision industry as a career and not just as a hobby. If you like to work with your hands and seeing immediate results of your work, if you like puzzles and can be organized, you will enjoy this class. If you have any questions about the collision repair and refinishing program, please feel free to reach out to me. I would be glad to talk more with you about my class and how it will help you find your future.